An ordinance establishing an online website for all local ordinances and resolutions in the province of Iloilo to make them more accessible to the public. Authored by yours truly, together with my co-sponsors, Honorable Jun Mondehar, Honorable Mac Palabrica, Honorable Jason Gonzalez, and Honorable Rolando Viristura, Honorable Ramon Soliano, and Honorable Dorothy G. Paez for approval for third reading.
For third and final reading, Mr. Secretary. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Mr. Secretary.
It appears, Your Honor, that all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
With all members present, Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-296 entitled An Ordinance Establishing an Online Website for all local ordinances and resolutions in the province of Iloilo, make them more accessible to the public. Authored and sponsored by Honorable Vice Governor Christine S. Garin, co-sponsored by the Honorable Jun S. Mondehar, Honorable Matt P. Palabrica, Honorable Jason R. Gonzalez, Honorable Rolando Viristura, Honorable Ramon G. Soliano, and Honorable Dorothy G. Paez is hereby approved for third and final reading. Congratulations.